arrangements are over, they perform a ceremony the night before, just to strengthen these girls and to make them strong, to persevere the pain.
What did they do? What is done?
They sing all night, the whole night, and trying to test whether this girl will be coward or will persevere the cut, because it is painful. So there's a way that they can tease, like they bring the knife and they to see whether you will be scared or what. Yeah, to strengthen the girl. Yes.
So she knows it will be painful. You knew it would be painful.
Yeah. One thing is that even the private part is sensitive, and it was holy, and I could just imagine somebody touching my body, how I will feel, or I might be scared, and they don't want you to move when you are being circumcised. You should prove that you pretend to be, you don't feel anything. So if that place could be touched with the knife, how you should not. Yeah. And if, let's say, if a girl is virgin, you know that place now is very sensitive. How could you feel? Because these mamas, when they catch that place, they just hold it with a lot of force, or there's no very slow motion, or because of the tension. Yes. And also the anxiousness of doing this thing. Yes. So it was something, it wasn't easy for me. Yeah, it wasn't easy, but...
How many girls got circumcised at the same time as you?
Three. We were three. Yes.
And after this evening with singing?
The singing is done the whole night. And the following morning, they remove all the clothes. The girls run to the river naked. Even if their fathers are near, they can see them naked fully. They go and bath, and they come running and sit on the stones. The stones will be ready for them, and they just sit, open their legs, and they are cut. Yes. The cut is done in the open place, and after the cut, they take now the initiates to the shed, and they go and continue to cut the other areas.
Oh, so they just take the first cut openly?
Clitoris on the stone. But if you have persevered that, they go now and cut again now the lips when you have already lied down.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's done in 2 steps. Yes.
2 cuts.
And after then they sew you, or?
There's no sewing.
Okay.
Only the legs should be put together for at least 2 consecutive weeks.
Okay.
So the lips, because they were cut, they heal together. And the girls should keep the urine, not to wash the place that they have cut, so that it can come.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the pain, was it hurt for a long time? Yeah. Can you remember how you felt when this was going on?
It was painful, but I sympathize with the third one, because after some time the lips didn't heal together, so they had to come and cut again to chop the lips, and it was painful for her. She cried, and you can just imagine they brought the thorns, these thorns that they hook there.
Do you know what happened to her afterwards? Was she okay afterwards, or?
It didn't come together.
No.
Yes.
So you had to lay still for 2 weeks?
For months.
For months?
For months and months. I think I stayed for 3 months.